Hi friends, today we are going to show how to create a neck design using a soldering iron. I'm going to use a 100-watt soldering iron today. You can use a piece of cardboard to cut out your design, or you can use a metal stencils shown in the video. Keep your block on a glass surface and start to cut it using a paper cutter. Make sure which parts you are going to remove in the cardboard, as you might damage the design. Place the glue side down of the interfacing fabric and the other side or the wrong side of the silk fabric on top of it, as in the video. Remember to keep it on the glass top. Take safety measures when working with the soldering iron. Always return the soldering iron to its stand when not in use. Never put it down on your workbench. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Press the bell icon on YouTube app and never miss any update. If you are interested in this type of tutorial, please leave your valid comment under the comment section below. Thanks for watching our videos.